And one of the things that I notice is that people expect you to be there for them and support them, but they're never there for you or support you. You're always reaching out and always giving your support and love, but they never reciprocate that same energy. Why is it that you're always supporting them, but they can't reciprocate that same energy back to you? That's some selfish shit. Excuse my language, but it's the truth. One should not have to be responsible to make a relationship or friendship work. It should be both give and take. Not one person giving the other person just takes. That's selfish. And if you're dealing with anybody like that in your life, cut them off because they do not deserve your energy. They don't deserve to have a kind, genuine person like you, because relationships are about give and take and supporting each other 50-50 or 100-100, not 50 to 100 or 100 to nothing. Cut people off that don't reciprocate the same energy that you give.